Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can elevate your meal prep game, the Shine Kitchen Company SES-100 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer. We discovered this handy tool online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Shine Kitchen Company SES-100 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer? In simple terms, it's a powerful kitchen appliance designed to turn your favorite vegetables into delicious, healthy noodles. If you're looking to add more veggies to your diet without sacrificing flavor, this spiralizer is a game changer. It allows you to create a variety of vegetable-based dishes, from zoodles to beet noodles, all in a matter of minutes. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this spiralizer a must-have in your kitchen. First and foremost, it comes with 4 blade attachments, enabling you to create different noodle sizes. Whether you're in the mood for angel hair, spaghetti, fettuccine, or even ribbon-style garnishes, this spiralizer has you covered. The versatility means you can experiment with various dishes, keeping your meals exciting and nutritious. One feature that sets this product apart is its no-slip veggie grip. The unique outer grip holder ensures that soft vegetables like zucchini, beets, squash, and cucumbers are held securely in place while you spiralize. This means no more frustrating slips or messy counters, just smooth, effortless spiraling every time. You can focus on your meal prep without worrying about your hands slipping or your veggies flying off the cutting board. Speaking of effortless operation, the Shine Kitchen Company SES-100 is incredibly easy to use. Simply lock the chute, insert your produce, and let the machine do the work. This is especially beneficial for those busy weeknights when you want to whip up a quick, healthy dinner. It saves you time and effort, and you'll love how it protects your hands while you spiralize. Now, who is this electric spiralizer suitable for? If you're a health-conscious individual looking to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, or perhaps a parent trying to make healthy meals for your kids, this product is perfect for you. It's also great for anyone who loves to entertain and wants to impress guests with visually appealing dishes. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the SES-100 can help you create beautiful meals that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine making zucchini noodles for a light, gluten-free pasta dish or crafting colorful vegetable ribbons to top off a salad. You could even create spiralized sweet potatoes for a unique take on fries. The possibilities are endless, and the SES-100 makes it all so simple. It's perfect for meal prep, entertaining, or just making your everyday meals a little more exciting. Finally, cleanup and storage are a breeze with this spiralizer. Its compact design means it won't take up much space in your kitchen, and all components can be stored conveniently inside the container. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. In conclusion, the Shine Kitchen Company SES-100 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer is a versatile, efficient, and easy-to-use kitchen appliance that can transform the way you prepare meals. If you're ready to add more veggies to your diet and make your cooking experience more enjoyable, this spiralizer is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget